Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing something really cool. We are going to trick your apps and games into thinking you are using the absolute best hardware on the market right now. I'm talking about spoofing your phone to become a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or the current flagship king, the S25 Ultra. Why would you do this? Well, mainly to unlock extreme frame rates like 90 or 120 FPS in games that are optimized for these top-tier Samsung devices. It also helps you bypass certain device restrictions. And the best part? This method is completely universal. Whether you're on Android 13, 14, or 15, this script supports all Android versions and all Android devices. It doesn't matter if you're rocking a Xiaomi, a Pixel, or a OnePlus. Crucially, we know the rooting scene has changed. That's why this module supports every major root manager out there right now. Whether you're using the classic Magisk, KernelSU, the new KSU-Next, or even APatch, this method works flawlessly across the board. Now, before we jump into the installation, I need you to stop and listen to this caution. This is the most important step to avoid a boot loop. If you have any other spoofing modules installed, like MagiskHide Props or a different device faker, remove them now. Running two different spoofers at the same time creates a system conflict. Disable or uninstall them and give your phone a quick reboot before proceeding. A clean slate is the best way to ensure this works. Alright, let's get this installed. First, ensure Magisk, KSU, or APatch is installed and running on your device. Next, download the specific spoofer you want from the link in the description. You have three choices: the S24 Ultra spoofer, the powerful S25 Ultra spoofer, or the Tab S10 Ultra spoofer if you're on a tablet. Once downloaded, open your root manager. Go to the Modules tab at the bottom, tap the plus button, or Install from storage. Navigate to where you saved the file and select it. Wait for the installation script to run. It should only take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, hit that reboot button. When your phone boots back up, head into your settings and check About Phone. You should now see Samsung S25 Ultra listed as your model. And just like that, you've tricked your device. Go enjoy those unlocked graphics settings. If this worked for you, hit that like button and subscribe for more root modules. I'll catch you in the next one.